This is Apple Air Taq review. These Apple Air Tags can help reunite you with your misplaced items. They're easy to set up, use, and the precision finding feature can help you find misplaced items quickly. Air Taq, Apple's long-awaited location tracking device, has finally been unveiled, and though it may be small, it'll prove invaluable if you lose keys, wallets, and the like. Using the Find My app, you can get on-screen directions, your current distance from the Air Tag, and haptic feedback when you get close to locating it when an Air Tag is paired with an iPhone 11 or higher. Called precision finding, the feature uses the iPhone's accelerometer, camera, and gyroscope to provide on-screen directions, your current distance from the Air Tag, and haptic feedback when you get close to locating it. Apple's Find My Device network can also help you find an Air Tag that's misplaced rather than lost. If another Air Tag in the network passes by the tag, you'll get an anonymous update on its location. And you can also assign a phone number to a lost Air Tag, so that if it's found by anyone, they can tap it using their iPhone or any NFC-enabled phone to get your contact info. Apple has also thought seriously about privacy, and put several measures in place to prevent Air Tags from being misused. On top of that, the Air Tag will make a noise if it's been separated from its owner for long periods of time, but still moves location. You can buy a single Apple Air Tag for $29, £29, 45 Australian dollars, or buy a pack of 4 for $99, 99 pounds, 149 Australian dollars. Air Tags are available for pre-order now, and will be available on April 30th. The Air Tag is about the size of a quarter or a 2-pound coin. It measures 3.19 by 3.19 by 0.8 centimeters and weighs just 0.4 ounces, 11 grams. The stainless steel disc also has a hidden speaker that will play a sound if you use the Find My app on an iPhone, iPad, or Mac. There is no clip or tag on the Air Tag as standard, but it can be slipped into a bag, wallet, or coat pocket. If you want to attach it to keys or other items, leather and silicone key fobs and loops can be purchased from Apple, or third-party brands like Belkin. With prices starting from $29, 29 pounds, 45 Australian dollars. Apple hasn't said how far Air Tags can connect to Bluetooth, but we believe it supports Bluetooth 5.0, which is the latest version of the technology, and has a range of 800 feet, 240 meters. The Air Tag emitted a short beep when we took it out of the packaging, and was instantly recognized by our iPhone. We were able to name the Air Tag, and it was associated with our Apple ID, showing up in the Items tab. We also had no problems attaching the Air Tag to the key fob and loop accessories, so we could attach them to keys and bags. This is where the precision finding feature comes in handy. We took the Air Tag out of the package, and it immediately recognized our iPhone. We named our Air Tag, and it showed up in the Items tab. We also attached it to the key fob and loop accessories, so we could attach them to keys and bags. In addition, Siri started a cycle of short electronic beeps when we asked it to find an Air Tag, but to use precision finding, we had to open the Find My app. The Air Tag is powered by a CR2032 battery, and Apple says it should last for more than a year if it emits a sound 4 times a day, and is used once a day for precision finding. You just hold the Air Tag with the colored side down, place 2 fingers on the metal side, and twist the metal cover to the right, revealing the battery.